السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hello my dear student Prep 3. Today we are going to explain the second type in chemical reaction, substitution reaction. السيشن اللي فاتت اتكلمنا على first type thermal decomposition reaction وعرفنا chemical series, the arrangement of elements. Now we are going to explain substitution reaction. We have two types of substitution reaction. The first type, simple substitution reaction. They are reactions in which an element replaces another one, that the substituting element is more active than the substituted one. تمام؟ عندنا element can replace another element in which the first element is more active than the second element. And substitution reactions can be represented by paper clips as follow. Okay? Here, the yellow one can replace the red paper clip, and this is simple substitution reaction. Just one element can substitute another one. Examples in simple substitution reaction: metals substitute the hydrogen of water or an acid. Metal can substitute hydrogen of water to produce metal hydroxide. Chemical reaction between the metal and water, like the reaction of sodium and water, okay, forming metal hydroxide, and hydrogen evolves as soon as the metal substitutes the hydrogen of the acid forming. Okay, hydrogen gas is evolved. The reaction 2Na plus 2H2O give 2NaOH plus hydrogen gas plus heat, and metals react with water as they substitute hydrogen of water to produce the metal hydroxide and the hydrogen gas. Okay, and we must be careful when performing the reaction of sodium with water, because there is explosion and a great amount of heat are produced. So sodium are kept under the kerosene or paraffin oil. And also metal can substitute the hydrogen of acids. For example, we have hydrochloric acid in 3 beakers, and we put in the first one copper, and second one aluminum, and the third one zinc. Okay, on adding dilute hydrochloric acid, it doesn't react with copper. Why copper don't react with hydrochloric acid? Why? Okay, because copper follows the hydrogen in the chemical series. Okay, and the element below the hydrogen cannot substitute the hydrogen in acids. But zinc can react with hydrochloric acid to form ZnCl2, and hydrogen gas is evolved. And also aluminum can react with hydrochloric acid to form AlCl3, and hydrogen gas is evolved. And these are the chemical equations. Zn plus 2HCl give ZnCl2 plus H2 evolved, and 2LAl plus 6HCl give 2AlCl3 plus 3H2 evolved. The second type in simple substitution reaction, a metal substitutes another metal in one of its salt solution. Here we have a metal can substitute another metal. Okay, some metals replace another metals that follow it in the series of chemical activity in one of its salt solution. For example, reaction of magnesium with copper sulfate to produce magnesium sulfate and copper as a precipitates. Okay, Mg plus CuSO4 give MgSO4 plus Cu as a precipitate. The second type in substitution reaction is double substitution reaction and can be represented as the following figure by the paper clip. We have two paper clip here and another two paper clip. Green can replace the blue paper clip, and also the yellow can replace the red paper clip. Okay, to produce a different compounds. Double substitution reaction are classified into reaction between acid and alkali, number 1, and number 2, reaction of acid with salts. For number 1, reaction between an acid and alkali, which is a neutral or neutralization. It is the reaction between an acid and alkali forming salt and water. For example, reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid to produce sodium chloride and water. Take care from the name of the reaction between an acid and alkali is neutralization. The second type in double substitution reaction is the reaction of acid with salts. And acids react with salts and the results depend on the type of both acid and salts. يعني الكومباوند resulted بيعتمد على نوع الأسيد and salts. For example, reaction of hydrochloric acid with sodium carbonate to produce sodium chloride and water and carbon dioxide gas as the following equation: Na2CO3 plus 2HCl give 2NaCl plus H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. Number 3, reaction of salt solution with another salt solution. Double substitution reaction between salt solution are accompanied by formation of precipitate. When we add a silver nitrate solution to sodium chloride solution, a white precipitate of silver chloride is formed. NaCl plus AgNO3 give NaNO3 plus AgCl as a PBT or precipitate. Okay, this is the substitution reaction.